Welcome to Visuality Systems, the SMB protocol experts. In today's tutorial, we'll be discussing key SMB protocol security measures that will help you safeguard your data and your network. As part of Microsoft's Secure Future initiative, launched in 2023 to address the growing scale and complexity of cyber attacks, Windows 11 version 2.4H2 and Windows Server 2025 now include important SMB features that make your data, your users, and your organization safer. Most of these features are enabled by default, ensuring that your network is secure from the start. The security measures introduced by Microsoft, all supported by Visuality Systems' SMB protocol software libraries, include SMB signing required by default, SMB and TLM blocking. Insecure guest authentication is now off by default in Windows Pro editions. SMB dialect management, SMB client encryption mandate, deprecation and disabling of remote mail slots. SMB over Quick is now supported not only in the Azure edition as it was in Windows Server 2022, but also in the Data Center and Standard edition starting from Windows Server 2025. SMB over Quick client access control. Support for SMB on alternative ports. In this video, we will cover SMB signing, one of the most critical security features in protecting your network. SMB signing adds a digital signature to SMB messages. This signature, located in the SMB header, is a hash generated by a cipher suite using the session key. It confirms the identity of both the sender and the receiver. If the message is tampered with during transmission, the hash will not match, indicating a security issue. SMB signing provides two essential benefits. First, it ensures the integrity of your data by verifying that it hasn't been altered. Second, it authenticates both the server and the client, preventing adversary-in-the-middle attacks. SMB signing has been around since Windows NT. Initially, SMB 1 supported signing, but it was not enforced. Over time, Microsoft has improved the signing algorithms, evolving from MD5 in SMB 1 to HMAC SHA-256 in SMB 2 and AES CMAC in SMB 3. Most recently, AES 128 GMAC was added in Windows 11 and Windows Server 2022, offering even stronger security. Before these updates, SMB signing was only required by default for Sysful, Netlogon, or if enforced by an Active Directory domain controller. Devices using guest access had signing disabled by default. As a result, only knowledgeable administrators were able to enable SMB signing across their networks. Now, with the new changes, SMB signing is required by default. To disable it, you must opt out intentionally. If you're using guest access or connecting to devices that don't support SMB signing, you'll likely encounter error messages, as the system now prioritizes secure connections. To check the current SMB signing status, use the following PowerShell command. Get SMB client configuration, pipe, FL, require security signature. In our case, we get a false, which means that, on this client, SMB signing is disabled. In order to enable SMB signing, run the following command. Set SMB client configuration, require security signature, $true. The system will prompt for confirmation. Once approved, SMB signing will be enforced for this client. In this example, we used SMB client configuration for outbound signing. SMB server configuration is the corresponding command for inbound signing. Here are some important do's and don'ts when working with SMB signing. Use Kerberos instead of NTLM version 2 for secure authentication. Assign alternate computer names using the NextDome tool. Don't disable SMB signing as a workaround. Avoid signing in with guest accounts. Never connect to shares using IP addresses. Refrain from using CNAME DNS records for SMB connections. Thank you for watching. Want to know more? Explore the other videos in this tutorial series, visit our website, or reach out for more insights. Visuality Systems, the SMB protocol experts.